Yeah, my viewers, my subscribers, welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl DJ Dalvi. Any problem we solve it. So today I chef up a little quick and easy pot in the evening. Sure now I go on the table here. Right now I have some tomato. Right now I have some okra right here. So okra, saltfish, and I have butter, tomato, onion, scallion, and I have baked bean. I have baked bean and I have sweet corn. Yeah man, so these are the ingredients that I will be using. Just start up the procedure quick and fast, you know, because you know, night a come. I want to do this thing quick. So we start the ball game. The reason why I'm here start kinda, well, I'm not gonna say it late, but more down in the evening. The breeze blow a lot of daytime and the sun is extremely hot. Yeah, the sun is extremely hot in the day. It's not a good idea to really break it for your knee, you know, so don't try this at home, okay? It will hurt your knee. So just want to get the fire ignite as quick as possible, and then me light up a second fire also. Maybe no need to light a second fire though, but let's see. Alright, so blaze up a flare now. Do one thing. One strike, one light. Then I have some guava stick. You know? So get the fire ignite up one thing. Quick and fast, you know. Go and stay locked in and clocked in. Remember, like up the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. That is it. Now I'm going to get on the pot. This is the pot for cook the saltfish. Now I'm going to deal with the saltfish. Chefing first, you know. Cook it first and then load it procedure, you know. Right, hopefully cover. Pot cover. That is it. So right now, I'll get the saltfish in my pot because water boil up now. Where do the stick? Give me a stick. See stick there put up on the ground so. Yeah man, so I go in with the saltfish. And go and scald off. Stay locked in, clocked in, that is it. Alright, so check in now, my viewers, my subscribers. So right now, I get me season them, prep and cut up. So this one I start with now, this is sweet pepper. Yeah. So one sweet pepper. Clean it up, you know. Alright. Just want to say big up to all the viewers, the subscribers watching from near and far. Hope the team that bringing a World Cup. Hopefully, if no team win, or I don't know if no team they gone home for a long time they still. But big up Spain. Yeah man, Spain win the World Cup, so big them up, you know. Yeah man, that go on, and congratulations also to Argentina. See them for reach the final. Second time them reach final, but they now win this time. So I think sometime you win, sometime you lose. Yeah man, but I never like when them pull off in at the end. Kind of the end and start a fight in the end, you know. One piece of saga on the field. A fire drop out I what the sucker me on that thing. Yeah man, so it's a the sweet pepper, you know. Alright. And remember, I have some okra also, cause you know, saltfish and okra me I deal with. So normally just cut off the tip and the top part. And just wash. Up on the board now. Yeah, man. What your table now feel level, Jordan? Think you see you catch up the table and shake.
It did catch.
It did catch. Good amount of okra in I think, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. The table rock too much, you know. This nice up a pot, you know. Scallion. Come on, so right now, clean up the onion, you know. Quick pot we are deal with in the evening, you know. I think one day we have a bingo, you know.
Yes.
Hey, them pitney have some name, you know. Apple. How never hear no pitney name mango? Jordan, you no pitney name mango?
No.
Alright, so we are cut up the onion now. Alright. So that's it for the onion. Now we have we call him, you know, tomato. Always cut off this part, you know. The stem part of the onion, the tomato. That is, yeah. Alright, so go in with tomato, you know. And cut the tomato just like this. Tomato juicy. I'm not necessarily cut them no smaller than this. Remember, I'm not pro with the cutting, you know. And the cutting do it, you know. And the taste of the food. You see, from food tastes good, that we want to know. Yeah, man. But do the thing still, you know. Now me I get off the natural seasoning off of the board. Some okra and me sweet pepper. Then my scallion right here. And my tomato and my onion. Right, so there you have it. This is our natural seasoning to season up the saltfish. So go and stay locked in and clocked in. You know. Big up all viewers and subscribers. Martel Adventure TV, Squidly, Natasha. Seen fan, me nah see seen from what they did to the whole works. Me speed in English, yeah man. So big up on a nice clean self. Yeah. I go take off the saltfish pot now and put on the rice pot, you know. And go and clean up the saltfish in the meantime for you. do the dose. Stay locked in, clocked in. Take off the saltfish. That is it. Get on the pot for put in the rice. That it fire burn me. Ah! Jesus Christ. Oh, but the fire burn me. Fire burn me through my socks. Anyways, get in the water. Get piece of butter in a pot, yeah. You know, it thing go. Not my style is, you know. I normally cook with butter and them things still butter. Me I work with Rasta secret ingredient is, you know. Yeah. I go and melt out and then I go wash the rice and get the rice in because water bubble up. Yeah. Right now, this is some, what kind of rice is again? Oh, this is some jasmine rice. So I give it like 2 wash. Pick on fast, you know. So one more wash and then in the pot me I go with it. Second wash this here now. So we are going to pot with this here now. Let that bubble up, you know. Right, so now go in with the rice. I tell me give you a nice amount of rice today. You know. Rasta can get one little share, you know. Jordan there. Apple. Oh, fiddly. You know. Rather. Always a watch, you know. Come on, viewers. You know, subscribers. All our hype up the video them and thing. Really appreciate the love, the respect, you know, the support every time. Yeah man. That me that just gone in. I nearly left out myself, you know. Me nearly left out myself. Alright. Alright. Here is a store, you know. So right about now, cut the sweet corn cause I almost forgot about it. This is how me not like do this. I don't like to cut cans. But if I'm in the kitchen, you have to learn how to deal with them things too. Take time and cut, you know. Good look while me have this, you know. Just decide say need to make use of somewhere or the other. See it, you know? Yes, so I chew off the water here, guys. The water now go in there. So some have to go on to man, some have to go on. Have to pay the earth, you know. So I get it in the pot here now. Sweet corn, this is going in the pot. That is that. Right now we are getting piece at time. Add scotch bonnet pepper and one single garlic. And I put in like a pimento, so stay tuned. Secret ingredients that you know. Pimento berries, you know. That is it. No, tell me one thing when I go in iPod. Somebody get and tell me one thing when I put in iPod it. And that is the main thing. Well, I not really a main thing, but that fee in iPod too. Just tell me. Jordan, what you say? You could solve for going in iPod. That's one thing where most people forgot. Most of when we are cook, we forgot to put salt in iPod. But we nobody have to put no salt in it because we are cooking saltfish. Yeah. Right. So right now, Jordan, say I make juice. You are doing it here.
Juice too.
Juice too. So some sour juice. You wash on? Mm-hmm. See what I'm going with them cut them already, you know, start squeezing it.
You can squeeze it? Anybody.
So much of them I use. Shake it, you can't talk.
In your hungry belly, that's why I'm using it.
What you say?
In your hungry belly, that's why I'm using so much.
Younger brother, that's why I use so much. Interesting. Come Jordan, start squeeze.
Weakling.
Yeah, but right, I use enough because they don't have only for juice. You as subscribers, go and stay locked in to the channel. Me hear the blackbird, them a make noise. Them say anytime you hear blackbird, I make noise. Well, no, I make noise. When you see them a fly around, so I mean rain. I don't see none of them fish on up on the camera, still. Alright, right now, I get on the pot to fry up the saltfish and the bait. Now, I get in the butter in the pot. I don't have no oil, so I butter me I use. It's a butter day today. Now I go in with the seasoning. Naturally outside. Go and saute. Tip the water in it. I'm going to simmer a little bit until. So I go on the pot there. Alright, so saltfish. I go in now. Then one saltfish will pick up. So right now we are going with some baked bean. Lasco baked bean. You want to go on? I bubble up a little bit, but I take it off now. Fire gone weak down. But chefing's good So right now, I go share the food them. Yeah man. Sharing time now, quick and fast. Rice over here, so. Rice not so shelly today, but we are work with the flow. Put back here, like in the pot. Right, so saltfish and bean time, you know. I don't want none of you show my vegetable in a yarn apple. You like food? Apple says she like food. Alright, so quick and fast now. I bless up the food real quick and fast. So most righteous and eternal Father in heaven. Just bless this food, bless all of us who are gathered here today. We ask you to bless our viewers or subscribers. And just bless the food again in your precious name, Jesus Christ, I pray, amen. Alright. Come up. Alright, so that's up. Yeah, then which one do you want? Alright, that's a few on this for me. That is it.
So all food taste nice.
Come on. So I say give thanks to the food again. Yes, so consume now. Cook out the bone them now, I'm not cook out the bone them now. Yeah, I'm going to eat your food now, Jordan. Yeah, done to orange juice, yeah. Chicken food and all, you know. Full active. Yes, so just want to say big up to all the viewers, big up to all the subscribers to watch this video up until the end. Yeah man, I check in right now. Now the so orange juice. Very refreshing. Yeah man, big up Jordan, you know. Go on with himself with the juice today. You know. So big up all viewers, big up all subscribers watching from near and far. Remember, hype up the video. People in the UK, Canada, USA. Remember, hype up the video, please and thanks. And also remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Share out the videos and make the channel reach more and more people. Surround yourself with people and things that are good for you. Catch you guys in another video or on a live stream. Peace out.